For this 1 kg custard. I don't know what you want to do. The custard. There go rich. Okay. You give me egg yellow. Eh? 150. And it's the egg yellow. How much is it? How much is it? Shana vanilla. Vanilla and banana shall be the best. Fish sugar. Son is sugar. Give me the record. So sugar, milk powder, egg yellow. Vanilla flavor. This one is finished now. Then give me cocoa powder. I don't know. Wash your face. Now she did sell, but she didn't match with me. So their stuff here are actually very affordable. Then this one here, for making of tea. And now I will tell. I'm done buying the baking things. Now I want to buy, no, I'm not buying anything again. I bought the custard stuff and every other thing. I want to buy, what am I always saying I want to buy? I want to go to my sister's house and make the stuff in her house. Okay? How much? Eh? Let me 300. I'm supposed to pay 1,000. Hi, so I'm now at my sister's place, everybody, and we're about to start the custard making now. So come with me.
can't eat this combination. You drink to keep your money and your bread. If you know this wrong, you know appreciate the best. This is what you now find out.